Honda Accord EX, whenever see the message, the tire pressure low and the sign, and today I'm going to show you how to clear it. Go to settings and click on vehicle, and you can see TPMS calibration. Click on that. Then you can see a message, cancel and calibrate the tire pressure monitoring system. Then click on calibrate. You can do just one time, and I just make sure it works. And see, right now you can see the message and that sign are not here. So this is how you can clear your TPMS sign and notification in Honda Accord EX 2018.